Okay, we are doing the balancing equations lab, and as you can see, I am using the distance learning balance equations mat. I already have my first formula up here at the top, which is the HCl, NaOH, NaCl, and H2O already on there, as well as like the colors written in red, blue, green, yellow, and white. Okay, so for this formula, we want to balance it out. As we can already see and tell, this is already balanced. All we have to do is put the prongs together. So, give me 1 second. Okay, you have your one hydrogen, the white is for the hydrogen, and then the blue is going to be for the chloride. So already this is your HCl, and we're going to put that right here in the first one. Then we have next, as I say, the white is for hydrogen, the green is for the sodium, the red is for the oxygen. So this one right here is your NaOH. Next we have the sodium chloride. So the green is for the sodium, the blue is for your chloride. So we have that one. And then the last one is the H2O. So you have two white ones for your hydrogen, and then you have the oxygen right here, and this is your H2O. So now what we want to do is add up the number of atoms on each side. And before we do that, we want to put our symbol for our colored prongs that we're using. So for the red, like I said, it's for the oxygen, so we're going to put an O for that symbol. The blue stands for the chloride, so we're going to put Cl by the blue. For your green, we're going to use the sodium, so we're going to put Na. We don't have any yellow, so we're going to leave that blank. For the white, we're going to use the hydrogens for the whites. So we're going to put hydrogen H as our symbol. So now we're going to do the number of atoms. So for the right side, we're going to put 1. For our red, we're going to put 1 on the left side. Okay. Then we're going to go to the blue for our chloride. On the right side, it's 1. On the left side, you have 1. For the green, you have 1 on the right side, 1 on the left side. Yellow, we don't have any. So for the whites, we have 1 on the left side, 1 on the right side. So as I've already stated, this specific formula is already balanced, so there's no need to do anything further. If you want, for the coefficients, you can always put 1, or it's really not necessary, so you could just leave them blank because it's already balanced out. And give me 1 second while we go to the next one. Okay, so our next formula is going to be the CaOH2 with the HCl and CaCl and H2O. So what we're going to do is write that down. And the first reactant will be the calcium OH. The next one will be the HCl. The next one is calcium chloride. The next one is H2O. Okay, then you want to write your symbols in with your colors. Red, we're going to go with oxygen again. Blue is going to be the chlorine. Green is the calcium. Yellow, we don't have any. The white is going to be the hydrogen. Okay. Alright, so we put those together. Our calcium oxide is this one. I already put together. Okay, the green again is for calcium. Your red is the oxygen. Your whites are the hydrogens. Okay, I'm gonna leave those right there. Yeah. Okay. The HCl. Okay. You have your chloride for the blue, and then you have your hydrogen for the white. I'm gonna put that one in the next box. Let's put that down. The calcium chloride, we are going to use, the calcium is the green again, and then you have your chloride. You got 2 chlorides. Could it say it was 2 chloride 2? Okay, and then for your H2O, same as in the last one, your oxygen and your 2 hydrogens. Okay, so now we're going to write off what we have on each side of the atom. And on the right side for the oxygen, we have 1. On the left side is 2. For your blue, which is the chloride, on the right side you have 2. On the left you have 1. Green for the calcium, 1 on both sides. Yellow, there's nothing. Whites, you have on the left side there's 3. On the right side there's 2. Okay, so this equation is not balanced. So in order for us to make it balanced, we have to add. And what we are adding is another H2O, which is already made right here. And we're going to add another hydrochloride, which is already made right here. Okay, so now the equation should be balanced. So now we're going to add 2 to the H2O in the coefficient, and in the calcium chloride, we're still going to be 1, or you could just leave it blank. For the hydrochloride, you're going to add 2 because you have 2. And then still in the calcium oxygen hydride, you're going to leave just that 1, or you could leave it blank. So you're going to add that up now. We're going to erase what was on the first one. On the right side, now you have 2. On the left side, you have 2 for the red. For your blue, you have 2 on both sides, left and right. For the green, you have still 1 on both sides. And for the whites, you now have 4 on both sides. So now we have a balanced equation. Alright. And thank you for watching my video. Thank you.